save 30% on building repairs. As per data, 40% repair projects fails on time, cost and quality control. Means 30% of our money, time, energy wasted. Loss 10% on quality, 10% on quantity, 10% on transparency. Jago Bharat Jago. Building ka doctor awares suggests 3 tricks, trade secrets. Promotion support by Rex BMC PMC, architects and engineers, Techno legal finance advisors, building ka doctor. Rex BMC PMC completed projects, repairs and maintenance over last 25 years. Major repairs 200 plus, minor repairs 400 plus. Written and distributed this book free of cost, approx 10,000 copy over last 18 years. Team of young professional Aniket Sagar, Aditya Gupta, Meet Harsora, Anitesh Sagar, Shubham Nayak. Building warranty at rupees 6 per square feet yearly. Do you have building warranty? The trick, part 1. People with good intention can deliver good results. How and whom to select? Invite all society members. Members who can devote time and can take responsibility. Many members tends to choose shortcut and silence equals vulnerable to loot. Few will come forward. Many will avoid. AGM MC must authorize sincere members to manage the work. Sincere people must adopt and conduct rational management. Simply follow democratic and scientific method. Ask all members to invite own choice of engineers and contractors. Also invite through notice, newspaper, social media. Open tender system creates competition equals transparency. Transparency equals kills corruption. Save 10% plus. The trick to a stitch in time saves 9. Automatic screening, shortlisting, method for good repairs consultants. Request engineers BMC to work on PSDG method. Many will disappear, 70% of all. What is PSDG? Means 2D, 3D plan of structure damages with graphics. Scope to make and show virtual 2D plan of damages with graphics on building design before and after work. Purpose to confirm the location and size and measurements of damages at building before start of work. Reason to avoid mismanagement of measurements and size equals control quantity. Avoid loss on measurements. Save 10% plus. The trick 3. BMC to conduct SA structural audit plus NDT non-destructive test. BMC to prepare PSDG model and tender document. A stitch in time saves 9. BMC Engineers Fees SA Rupees 1, NDT Rupees 1, PSDG Rupees 2, approx cost Rupees 5 per square feet on overall constructed area. Research and analysis cost of Rupees 1 lakh to save Rupees 5 lakh within few months. Tender doc means work specifications, techno legal terms equals BOQ on FFCS and DCS method with PSDG model. What is FFCS? Full-fledged contract system. Means cost breakup, material 30% plus labor 30% plus admin 20% plus profit 20%, say Rupees 100. What is DCS? Departmental contract system. Means cost breakup, labor 30%, admin 20% plus profit 20% on labor part only, say Rupees 60. Why pay double profit on cost of material? 20% to material supplier, 20% to contractor. Material cost separate, say Rupees 30. Save 20% of profit part on material cost equals 10% plus overall. Break up the cost to save 10% plus. Screening shortlisting method for real repairs contractor. Invite, ask contractor to fill up tender under both FFCS and DCS method. Keep low tender price. Example, Rupees 1000 for Rupees 40 lakhs work. 60% of contractors will disappear. Genuine contractors will participate for tender process. Calculate 30% saving, 10% on transparency, 10% on material part, 10% on PSDG quantity. Genuine and good society members plus BMC engineers plus repairs contractors will do good job. Case study. A 10-storied, 30 years old building of 30,000 square feet with 40 flats. Expected cost of repairs under general method 40 lakhs. Scientific cost of repairs under PGDS method 30 lakhs. Saving of Rupees 10 lakhs. Terrace waterproofing 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Socialist PMC Rex Building ka Doctor shall be available to guide, conduct awareness seminar for society members. Techno legal advice and details free of cost by Rex PMC BMC. Building ka Doctor. Watch our video for more info. Ask for a soft copy of our book for free. What is history of repairs? What is structural life of building? What is BMC? Building ka Doctor. How to do maintain our buildings. 5 tips for success on repairs. Know our building. Dynamic PSDG report. Mail your queries to bmcrex@gmail.com. WhatsApp 8108 444 544. NGO Non-Government Organization Grih Sankalp Sanstha Affordable Sustainable Housing. By Rex Group, Rex Concor Consultants Private Limited. Share, subscribe, YouTube channel Rex BMC PMC बिल्डिंग का डॉक्टर। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।